Hey guys, me again in our video. You guys want to see my Angry Birds, and today we're gonna make a new Angry Bird with some ingredients. And I got guess, Gummy Bear, Gummy, come on up and introduce yourself. Alright, hey Gummy, what are you doing? Hello. So, are you ready to make a new bird? Yeah. Okay, so Gummy, how are you gonna make this bird? The only thing I have to do is got some ice cubes to make ice bird. So I'm gonna get some ice cubes. I'll put some. Then two ice cubes. Ice cubes. Only thing we need is the most important ingredient to make that bird come to life is one egg. Okay, so what we're gonna do is throw in an egg, and that's an egg, 2 eggs. Now the only thing we have to do is make that bird come to life, but we need some water. So now I'm gonna get a cup of water. I'll be there. Now I'm about to put that in water. Okay, got some water on here, and the only thing we have to do is mix it. So we're gonna mix it all up, and then egg. Yeah, that looks very gross. There, mix it all up. Yep, that kind of looks gross. And then, what the? And, yep, that's how you make iceberg. So that's iceberg over here. Yep, I'm iceberg. Yep, and that's how you make an iceberg Angry Bird. So that's all, and that's the end of the episode.